Your neck is likely screaming at you right now because you have been hunched over a screen for hours on end. That familiar, dull ache at the base of your skull is a modern epidemic. You probably see those ads for a sleek, collar-shaped device popping up in your feed every single day. It is the one that promises a 4-in-1 solution for your chronic pain. I decided to pull back the curtain on this specific massager to see if the hype matches the reality. One thing that immediately sticks out is the specific 26-degree angle of the frame. This is not just a random design choice meant to look futuristic. It actually mimics a professional technique used in physical therapy called cervical traction. The idea is to gently decompress the spine while you are sitting at your desk or relaxing on the couch. Most cheap massagers just vibrate against your skin and call it a day. This unit tries to pack in kneading, heat, and electrical muscle stimulation all at once. That last feature is where things get interesting and a little bit intense. It sends small electrical pulses directly into your muscle tissue to force them to relax. If you've never tried this technology before, the sensation is definitely unique. You absolutely have to start at the lowest intensity level. Do not just jump to the highest setting or you're going to get a very unpleasant surprise. It is also crucial to remember that this is not for everyone. If you're pregnant or have a pacemaker, you need to skip this one entirely. The company is actually quite transparent about those warnings, which is a rare win in the world of online gadgets. The battery life is solid enough, giving you about an hour and a half of use on a single charge through a standard charging cable. However, the pricing structure is where my skepticism started to grow. They list the device at around $70 and claim this is a massive 50% discount. The reality is that this discount seems to be permanently active on their website. It is a classic marketing tactic to create a sense of urgency. If you look at major online marketplaces, you can find almost identical devices with thousands of verified reviews for nearly half that price. We are talking $30 to $45 for the exact same features and technology. Then there is the big claim that 91% of users feel better after the very first session. That is a bold statement to put front and center. The problem is that there is no sample size mentioned. There is no independent study or methodology provided to back that up. It is just a number on a flashy website. The actual technology of heat and muscle stimulation is legitimate and widely used by professionals. It can be a game changer for remote workers struggling with tech neck. You just have to decide if you want to pay a premium for the specific brand name and the slick advertising. The truth is often buried under layers of marketing fluff. Do your own comparison shopping before you hit that buy button. There are plenty of options out there that offer the same relief without the inflated price tag. Your neck deserves a break, but your bank account does too. Pay attention to the verified reviews rather than the big discount banners. Taking care of your posture is important, but being a savvy consumer is just as vital. Keep your eyes open for those similar tools that provide the same cervical traction at a much more reasonable entry point. Relieving that tension should not have to cost a fortune.